Somewhere, high above you, a star is nearing its final moment. It has burned quietly for decades, but now it's unstable, growing hotter, more volatile, and ready to erupt. And when it does, it could outshine every star in the night sky. This is not a prediction, it's an expectation. The star's name is T Coronae Borealis, and it may be about to explode before your very eyes. In this video, we'll explore what's about to happen, why this explosion could occur at any time, and how you can witness it, possibly from your own backyard. But before we begin, if you're passionate about the cosmos and want to stay updated on rare space events like this, I invite you to subscribe to Astro Odyssey. This channel is where space becomes personal. 8 months ago, I released a video on T Coronae Borealis, one of the few stars in our galaxy that has exploded multiple times and lived to erupt again. We explored its two known outbursts, one in 1866, the other in 1946. A pattern was clear, an explosion nearly every 80 years. That timeline brings us to now, 2024, and soon 2025. What I didn't know back then is just how close we might be to the next event. Ask yourself, if you could see a star explode in real time, something humans rarely witness, would you want to miss it? T Coronae Borealis isn't a single star. It's a binary system, a white dwarf and a red giant locked in orbit. Over time, the white dwarf pulls matter, mostly hydrogen, from its giant companion. That hydrogen piles up slowly, quietly, until the pressure reaches a deadly threshold. The result? A thermonuclear detonation. The star brightens by thousands of times and becomes visible to the naked eye. But here's what makes TCRB different. It's one of only 10 known recurrent novae in our galaxy. And unlike many other novae, this one is not random. It's on a schedule, and according to astrophysicists, that schedule is almost up. Over the past year, multiple observatories, including NASA and ESA, have been monitoring T Coronae Borealis. They've observed key changes: a drop in brightness followed by a sharp rise, temperature shifts, and a spike in X-ray emissions. These signs are nearly identical to what was recorded in the years just before the 1946 eruption. This isn't speculation. This is the star sending a warning. Astronomers are now on full alert. Instruments across the globe are watching every night. So what does that mean for you? It means, if you know where to look, you could witness it unfold with your own eyes. When T Coronae Borealis erupts, it won't require a telescope. It will appear in the Coronae Borealis constellation, known as the Northern Crown, just near the brighter constellations Hercules and Bootes. In North America, look toward the northeastern sky during spring and summer nights. Once the eruption occurs, you'll see a new star, as bright as Polaris or even Venus, suddenly appear where there was darkness. It will remain visible for about a week. Then, just as quickly as it appeared, it will vanish. But visibility is just part of the story, because this explosion could redefine how we understand the life and death of stars. Events like these are not just astronomical. They're historical. Each nova explosion helps scientists study how elements like iron, oxygen, and carbon are forged, elements that form planets, oceans, and even our own blood. You're made of the remnants of ancient stars. And now, you have the chance to see another one begin that same journey. It's a moment of wonder, but also a reminder of how fragile and extraordinary our universe truly is. This channel, Astro Odyssey, will be watching, and when the moment comes, I'll bring it to you with clarity, accuracy, and reverence for the universe we call home. If you want to witness history, if you want to be part of something rare, then subscribe now. Don't wait for the news. Watch it unfold, right here.